Hello, kindergarten. Welcome to today's math lesson. So just to quickly remind you what we are talking about in math, we are talking about the money. So we're talking all about the coins. We have learned about the four main U.S. coins. The first one is the penny, worth 1 cent. Remember, it has President Lincoln. Next is the nickel, worth 5 cents, with Thomas Jefferson. Then we have the dime. It is the smallest coin, but it is worth 10 cents, and it has President Roosevelt. And on the quarter is George Washington, and the quarter is the biggest of these four coins and worth the most at 25 cents. So today what I need you to do is to please take out page 107 from your week 11 packets. I'm going to walk you through what to do today on this paper. So like I told you during morning meeting, the first part of our paper is we're going to compare money. Remember we talked a little bit, actually it was a while ago, in school about the alligator who comes and chomps on bigger numbers. So we're going to do the same thing today, but no alligator. We'll just pretend that he's there. And basically we're going to look at two groups of money. We're going to write how much money we have, and then we're going to circle the one that has the most money. So if you look at the examples here, okay, there's two examples. In this one, there was a dime and a penny worth 11 cents, going up against a nickel and a penny worth 6 cents. Which one is bigger, 11 or 6? 11. 11 cents is greater than 6 cents because we know the alligator would chomp over to the 11 cents. Next, we have 20 cents because we have two dimes, and going up against a quarter. For this one, they showed us which one is worth less than. Remember, less is the smaller number. It's a power word for smaller number. So 20 is less than 25, so they circle the 20. We're going to have to read the directions to see if we're circling the bigger or the smaller number, the greater or the less than number. But we'll do it together and we'll find out. So let's go ahead and start. Name on your paper, first thing. Where does it go? On the top. You don't have to write your name if you don't want to. It's good practice, and I just love singing that song, and I wish I heard you guys singing it back because you guys were awesome at that. All right. I'm just going to write Mrs. T. Just because I sang it, I should write my name too. All right. The first one they did for us already, but it doesn't mean we're not still going to go over it because it's good practice. So first we see a nickel. We know a nickel is worth 5, so we're going to trace over the 5. Don't forget, it's not just 5. It's 5 cents. So writing the cent sign is very important here, okay? Going up against two pennies. Each penny's worth 1, so we know 1, 2. 2 cents. The directions say to circle the amount of money that is greater. That means that is bigger. So which one is bigger? 5 or 2? 5. Okay, so we're just going to go over it. Now, let's try it without their help. Let's look at the coins that we have first. We see a dime and 2 pennies. Remember, a dime is worth 10 cents. So that means I have 10. Add one more, 11. One more, 12. I have 12 cents. Next, I have a nickel, and a penny. A nickel is worth how much? 5. So I have 5. Then add 5 more. 5 plus 5 is, it's a doubles, like our hands, 10. Plus 1 more, 11. 11 cents. The directions say circle the amount that is greater. So you tell me, which one is greater? Which one is the bigger number, 12 or 11? Circle the greater number. Okay? And let's look at the last one. We see 1 quarter. That's the back of the quarter. Remember, a quarter is the biggest coin worth the most amount of money. It is worth 25 cents. Okay? Now let's see what our second group is. We have a dime, and a penny. Remember, the dimes are worth 10, so we're starting at 10. Count up by tens one more time. 10, 20, and add one more. 21. 21 cents. Now, we have to read the directions. Circle the amount that is less than. So which one is less? The smaller number. Circle the one that is less. 25 or 21? I don't want to give you the answer. I would like you to show me. All right, let's go shopping. So, on this side, we're going to talk about how to use money. So we'll see the example here. The money that we see lined up in each part of the problem is the money that we have in our wallet, okay? In our pocket, in our wallet, in our purse, whatever you want it to be in, it's in there. We have to count up enough money to pay for each of the items. So we're trying to buy a bouncy ball, a penguin, an airplane, and a rocket ship, okay? For the first one, they did for us already. The ball is worth 24 cents. So you see we have some dimes and a bunch of pennies. We also had a nickel and another penny here as well. So we're going to find ways that we can count up the money to make 24. So we had 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now, we can go ahead and just trace that in there because they already paid 24 cents. Let's look at the penguin. Again, they did this one for us, so that's okay. We're just going to go over it anyway. The penguin is pretty affordable, only 9 cents. So that means out of all of our coins, we have all pennies, so they're all worth the same. They're all worth 1. If the penguin is 9, how many pennies do we need? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They did that one for us, so you can go ahead and just trace over it. Now, we have to do the last 2 by ourselves. Now, there is more than one way to make your answer on some of these, but let's try to figure it out together, okay? So, this little jet plane is worth 16 cents. I see a dime, some nickels, 2 nickels, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pennies. So we definitely have enough money. We don't need all of the coins. If we start with a dime, that means we're starting at 10. We need to get to 16. Do we need more coins? Yes. Okay, let's go to the coin next to it. That's a nickel. A nickel is worth 5. So if I count from 10 and add 5, let's see how much we get. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now I have 15 cents. Is that enough? No. I need 1 more. Do I need to add a nickel? Is nickel worth 1? How about a penny? Should I use a penny to give me 1 more? Yes! Now I will have 16 cents. So that means we're going to circle the dime, the nickel, and 1 penny. Just like that. We only need 3 coins to buy that airplane, and the rest can save in our wallet for something else. Let's look at the next one. We need 27 cents to buy this rocket ship. Let's look at the first coin. That's a quarter. A quarter is worth the most. It's worth 25. Do we have enough if we buy the rocket ship with just the quarter? No, but we should still use the quarter because it's worth the most. So that's worth 25. Next to it is a dime. A dime is worth 10. So if I went up by 10s from 25, that would be 35. Do I need 35 cents for this rocket ship? Too much. I want to give them just enough. So I don't want to go this way. Let's try going down. These are pennies. Pennies are worth 1. So if I had 25, I go up by 1. Now I have 26. Oh, I can go next to it. That's a penny again. That would give me 27. Is that how much I need for the rocket ship? Yes, it is. So again, I only need 3 coins. A quarter and 2 pennies. 27 cents. And now we have gone shopping, we got some toys to play with, and that's the end of math for today. So I hope you had a great job time doing that with us. If you have any questions, if you need any help, let me know. Be sure to watch the Jack Money song and the coin song from ABC Mouse. I know we watch them every day, but it's good to watch them every day because it's when you remember and you learn about all the different coins, because this is important. So you can go to the store and start saving up money to buy some stuff for yourself too. So I hope you had a great rest of your day today. I look forward to seeing you here tomorrow for math. Take care.